All right, welcome back everyone to another explainer. Today, we are stepping right into the incredibly lucrative world of digital business. We're laying out the ultimate step-by-step blueprint for launching your own AI side hustles. If you've ever wanted to navigate this modern wealth-building landscape using the absolute latest tech, well, you are definitely in the right place. Let's break down exactly how to turn your workspace into a futuristic digital command center. Right off the bat, I need you to understand that these side hustles are helping complete beginners make money online faster than ever before. Just imagine pulling up a sleek, holographic-style interface where you are tracking real incoming cash. That raw, emotional reaction of seeing your first online income, that's exactly what we're engineering today through some incredibly smart, tech-driven financial strategies. So here is today's playbook. Step 1, AI content writing. Step 2, viral graphic design. Step 3, AI video editing. Step 4, faceless YouTube channels. And finally, Step 5, the remote lifestyle.
Okay, let's dive right in with step 1, AI content writing, where we build out your writing engine.
To build this engine, you're going to use powerful, popular tools. We're talking heavy hitters like ChatGPT and Jasper AI. Right from a sleek home office setup, you can instantly generate blog posts for clients, edit that content completely seamlessly, and start triggering real payment notifications. To put some realistic numbers to this, a complete beginner can easily charge $50 to $100 for just one specialized blog post. With AI assisting you, cranking out a few of these a day literally lights up your dashboard with new income streams. And look, the absolute best part about this, it is entirely beginner-friendly. You do not need a degree in journalism. Actually, you don't need any prior writing experience at all. The AI is doing the heavy lifting here. You're simply providing the creative direction and the quality control. The ultimate goal here is to get paid online, right? Just picture those payment notifications popping up, lighting up a futuristic neon-lit dashboard right in your home office. It's the direct result of setting up this super simple, incredibly efficient AI writing workflow. You are essentially turning basic text prompts into a very real digital income stream. Moving right along to step 2, viral graphic design. Let's call this the design machine. To automate your creative flow, we leverage amazing software like Canva. It allows literally anyone to auto-create viral social media graphics and generate those high-converting YouTube thumbnails using a really fast modern workflow. As for realistic earnings, plenty of creators are dropping $20 to $50 a pop for a single high-quality YouTube thumbnail. Optimize this process, and your neon dashboard transforms into a highly profitable digital design studio. By utilizing these tools, you are now fully equipped to create viral content on demand. Think about it. You're no longer just a freelancer. You're operating as a one-person digital agency, totally capable of producing the exact visual assets that top American business and finance creators use to scale their own massive brands. And again, no experience needed. This design machine is totally accessible to anyone. Smart AI tools are handling the color grading, the background removal, the layout suggestions. It completely automates the absolute hardest parts of graphic design. All right, on to step 3, AI video editing. Welcome to the video studio. By harnessing software like CapCut, you can generate automatic video captions and rapidly churn out fast-paced shorts and TikTok clips. Look, video editing used to take days, but now AI workflows condense the whole thing into minutes. Imagine a dashboard just glowing with upward trending analytics. Editors who offer this service easily command retainers of $500 to $1,000 a month per client, literally just for batch editing short-form videos. Now, why the number 2? Well, this is the specific secret sauce behind viral retention. Top creators use cinematic zoom transitions or visual cuts every 2 seconds to keep their viewers hooked. Fast motion blur transitions, bass drop synced cuts, keeping the eye moving every single 2 seconds is the absolute gold standard for TikTok-style retention editing. And that, right there, is exactly why this is a high-income skill. When you master that 2-second pacing and you combine it with AI tools, you possess a modern, highly sought-after ability that businesses and creators will gladly pay top dollar for. Next up is step 4, faceless channels, the ultimate automation empire. So here is the exact automated workflow. Step 1, you generate hyper-realistic AI voices. Step 2, pair those voices with automated shorts using the exact tools we just talked about. And step 3, grow multiple YouTube channels simultaneously.
Because you aren't actually filming yourself, you can scale this endlessly. A well-run faceless channel can realistically generate $1,000 to $5,000 a month in ad revenue, and it's all managed from your single, futuristic command center.
I mean, that is the literal definition of passive income. It perfectly paints the picture of that true smart hustle energy. You've built the asset, the automated channels do the heavy lifting, and passive income notifications light up your screens while you get to focus on scaling the next big thing. Which brings us to step 5, the remote reality. Let's talk about living that digital business lifestyle. It looks exactly like this, tracking realistic PayPal and Fiverr earnings directly on your smartphone from a luxury apartment workspace, or maybe during a laptop session at a really vibrant city coffee shop. Imagine working against the backdrop of a glowing city skyline at night. The high-retention pacing of your work naturally translates into a high-quality lifestyle. This isn't just theory, guys. This is the very real environment that successful digital entrepreneurs cultivate every single day. Working from home, or honestly, working from anywhere really, AI tools like Canva, CapCut, and ChatGPT have completely untethered us from the traditional desk. They enable a fully remote, modern digital lifestyle where your earnings are directly tied to your output and your creativity rather than your physical location.
The blueprint is completely laid out for you, and the barrier to entry has literally never been lower. It is time to subscribe for daily AI money ideas. Just visualize those multiple income streams converging right into your accounts as you operate your brand new tech-driven business. So, I want to leave you with this final provocative question. Are you ready to actually build your digital business? The future of wealth generation is already here, and it's running on these very platforms. Take this blueprint, launch your financial journey, and make those neon dashboards glow for you. Thank you so much for joining me on this explainer, and I will catch you in the next one.